When I select China, the charts get changed. When I select US, the charts get changed. So these are dynamic charts. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Get Perfect, and my name is Vismay. So in today's video, as you seen in the introduction, we would be learning about dynamic charts. In the previous video, we learned what are the types of chart majorly used in Excel. And friends, I'm really sorry I'm making this video after a long time. I was stuck in some personal issues, so that's the reason I was not able to make videos on YouTube. So today I'm making a video on the dynamic charts, and I would try to make videos at least twice a week. Okay, so before wasting any time, let's start. So I have this data where I have mobile companies, countries, and units sold in lakhs. So let's make a table where I get this data in a proper tabular format. For doing that, I will be using pivot tables. If you have not seen my video on pivot tables, I'll leave a link in the card button. You can check that out. I've selected this. I'll put mobile company's name over here, country over here, and unit name sold in values. Okay, just auto fit this. I don't need this now. Then I'm going to make a table over here as well, which would give me an dynamic values when I change the country, and I am going to make a drop down list for the country name over here. So those who have not seen my drop down list video, I'll leave a video link on the description box and make a list over here of these countries. That's it. And I say okay. See, now I got Australia, this. Now when I change to Australia, I should get the figures for Australia for all these devices. Okay, so how should we get this? We can do this using an index match formula. If you have not seen my index match video, please go to my index match video. I'll leave the link in the description box. So index, I want this in this. I'll freeze this with F4, comma, match. First, what is the lookup value? Is this. First, I'll see what after this we need to give the row. Okay, so match. This is our lookup value, and our lookup value is somewhere here. I'll freeze this, comma, I want an exact match, comma, match. Then the lookup value is this. I will freeze this because I don't want the cursor to move. If I copy paste this, comma 0, comma this, comma 4. See, I'll copy this and I'll paste it. See, now this is matching. If I change it to UK, and the sales value of Motorola is 34277, let's cross check sales value of Motorola in UK 34277. So now it's working fine. Okay, these are mobile companies. I'll just draw a table against it. Now you can either hide this. I'll just hide this. I don't need this. I'll hide this as well, or I'll just delete it. Now this is the exact data where I want to make a chart of. I'll select this, go to insert and say charts. I'll select a bar chart, recommended charts. go to view and remove the grid line. See, now it is looking white. Now when you see, when I select China, the charts get changed. When I select US, the charts get changed. So these are dynamic charts. I'll just say data labels. Okay. Now I want it to show units sold in US, units sold in India. So how to do that? You just write here units sold in space inverted bracket close and this. Okay, so if I change this, see, units sold in India, so I want this to be here. So I'll just click on this, say equal to, and I'll select this cell and press enter. See, now when I change the country to Australia, see, now it's units sold in Australia and these graphs get changed. If I say units sold in China, see, the graphs also get changed. Now we can also add in one more column like average sold, average. Copy this and paste it. And add a grid line. Select data. Okay, now I want the average to be in a line. So what I'll do, I'll select this, I'll right click on this, go to change data type series, and in average you can see a red line. I'll select this in line format like this. See, now the average is also getting changed. The average formula, we should do it constant this, sorry, shift F4, copy paste. See, so whenever I change this India, the average lines also get changed. You can always do the formatting as per your choice. I'll keep it like this, I like this choice. So great, so now you came to know how to do dynamic charts as well. If you like this video, please like this video, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and guys, please don't forget to comment on this video. How do you like this video? All your feedbacks are valuable for me. Thank you for watching this video. Do take care of yourself. Bye.